so I am vlogging after so long cause I was not having any topic to vlog. So क्या बोल रही थी मैं भूल गई. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I am vlogging after so long cause I was not having any topic to vlog. So as you know, I have just hit 10k followers on my Instagram. So I thought I'll be doing a photo shoot for that. And we can't go out, like we can go out, but I don't prefer going out and doing photo shoot. So yeah, I'm doing an indoor photo shoot for that, and we'll be making this canopy tent. So if you don't know what is canopy tent, that's okay, you will get to know. Even I was not knowing what is canopy tent. My sister told me about this idea. So yeah, you will also get to know about it and how we can build that. And yeah, this is what this vlog is all about. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do it now and hit the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, do follow me on Instagram cause we just hit 10k followers, so go follow me. And also, I just cut my hair and this became so short. Let me know if you like this haircut. And yeah, let's get into it. So I got this 10k ka balloon and let's start blowing this. सारा हवा बाहर आ रहा है. अबे सच्ची सारा हवा बाहर आ रहा है. रिवर्स मार रहे रे. So I took this bangles, and here is one bedsheet and here is two dupatta over here, and I just tuck this over here from the one side of it, and let's see how we'll hang it. So by the time she is building this canopy tent, creating this canopy tent, let's blow some balloon. So this is how our canopy tent is looking. So we have just stuck this bangle inside this, and you also need a space to just tuck that bangles. And yeah, this is super easy to make. Now we'll decorate it with some lightings, balloons and all of that stuff. So yeah. So मैंने इतने सारे balloons फुला लिए हैं, and we are setting up the lights cause दुपट्टे में lights stick नहीं होगा, so we are stitching it. And yeah, this is how it looks, and we'll be doing this lighting wala thing, and then we'll be adjusting some pillows, colorful pillows, and yeah, I'll show you that. So this is how it is looking after lightings, and now my house is really looking like a mess. And let's add some pillows. This and later I'll add some balloons. So now I'm done with my setup, like almost done with my setup as you can see. And now I'll go and change my clothes and start with the photo shoot. So I'm done with changing my clothes and I'm wearing this peach pink fur top and this black mini leather skirt. And as you can see, my setup is almost done. I have changed these cushions and rest of the things are same. So now we are starting with the photo shoot. I have just dimmed my light and only started that yellow lights and I have off all the white lights for the lighting effects. So yeah, let's start now. I'll be doing boomerang and here is my 10K. My sister is shooting because I can't take self pictures. So yes, let's do it.
बूमरैंग्स लेने हैं ना पहले.
Boomerang, boomerang. Ta-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na.
स्टार्ट.
Aga. Aga. Also to celebrate this, I also got one more thing. Wait, I'll show you. So I got this Instagram logo cake. And yeah, now I'll do photo shoot with this as well. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So now I'm done with my vlog. That was all about it for today's vlog. And if you like this photo shoot idea and also you love this vlog, then please let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button, comment down below and share if you want. And also hit the subscribe button. And yeah, do follow me on Instagram and see you in next video. Bye.